Yo, what up everyone, this is your boy The Prophet and welcome to my vlog channel. Yo, what up everyone, it is your boy The Prophet and welcome to my vlogs. Yeah, basically I'm doing vlogs now. I've always wanted to do vlogs, man. I always love talking to the camera and be able to show you guys a bit of my life, a bit of my personal side. If you guys don't know, I am a streamer. I do stream on Facebook. The link will be in the description below. But I will be doing like more personal content, so you'll be able to see what my day-to-day looks like. So make sure you guys tune in. You do hit that notification bell, the subscribe button, and the like button. That would be much appreciated. We will try and do some weekly vlogs and maybe 2 vlogs a week. We'll see. It will depend on how much workload I can do and how fast I'm editing. But I am excited to see, what we can do with this, and it's exciting to take this next journey with you guys. You'll be seeing a lot of my day-to-day life, my haircuts and stuff like that, what I do for a living, my family, etc. But yeah, I'm happy to see you guys, happy to take this journey with you guys. I'm also going to be on a weight loss journey as well. So as you can see, the cheeks are a bit too thick, but we will be cutting it down, man, over the next couple of weeks. I will be more intentional about my eating. I'm trying to get some training in and yeah, be taking that journey with you guys. So thank you guys for tuning in and see what we got to offer. Let's go.
Levito on the beat. Shuki beat.
Just on my way to my business meeting with also Dan from AOS.tech. I'll show you guys who he is, what he's about. He's the one who sponsors the stream. But we're just going to plan a few things for the future and some things we have in mind, man. So exciting stuff. Keen to see what comes about this meeting. But I'll see you guys there. And just like that, we have arrived. This is the man himself. So this is our food. Look at that. Woo. What's the looks rating out of 10, brother?
Give it a solid 7.5.
Okay,
Yeah.
presentation. We'll give it a 7.
Yeah.
7.5.
We'll see what the taste rating is.
Yeah, there we go. And that is us for today. How was your lunch, mate?
Oh,
How's the taste?
Too good. It's been too long since I've had a steak. I'd say the taste was maybe, I'll give them 8.5.
Yeah.
Definitely better than the
It was definitely
presentation.
it was a good tasting steak. Bro, it was pretty good food in there. I got a steak and some of the wrap. My shirt took a beating. The sauce dropped on it 4 times. Yeah, at different occasions. Frick, I'm so useless. My clothes eat with me at the same time. But yeah, good coffee club, probably 8.5. We had good service, good tasting food, and good presentation. So for the rest of the afternoon, I got another haircut. I'll film that haircut, and I'll see you guys there. Yo, so this is the barbershop right here where the magic happens. Yeah, sweet, that is the cut. As I said before, in the very beginning of the video, that I'm going to be trying to lose weight. So you guys will be coming along with the journey. So I'll say 2.5 years ago, I was looking like this right here. And now I'm looking like this right here. So we're gonna try and transform this over the next, however long, and try and be intentional about eating healthy and try and do some training as well. So you guys will be coming along that ride as well, man. But yeah, I got a few more for the night and then I'm done. Yo, good morning everyone. It's currently the next day. Pretty much same thing today. I got a few cuts today, so I'll show you some of the cuts. And then I'll hopefully get some basketball in for some fitness today. My voice is still feeling a bit sharp, so excuse my voice. But yeah, stay tuned. That's how it's done, folks. Pretty much 6 Weet-Bix, a whole banana, a little bit of sugar, hot water. The process you guys didn't see was the sugar. I sprinkled a little on the Weet-Bix, and then I used the hot water to melt the sugar on the Weet-Bix, but I didn't put too much hot water. So it's basically just little drips to melt the sugar. Yeah, but Janko. Not bad. And we are here. We're at the basketball courts at the moment. As you can see in my background, we're just gonna do some one-on-ones today. I just have some fun with it, get some running in. It's key to stay active, especially when trying to lose weight. So I'll try not to conk out so early. It is a beautiful day here in Brisbane. The sun is out. I think it's around, say, 27 to 28 degrees. So yeah, it's a beautiful day. I said, why not? Why not? So it is currently, if you can see that, 5:43 p.m. As you can see, we're pretty trash. Man, it's not the same, bro. It's not the freaking same. So tired. Like, I literally couldn't even move, as you can tell from our clips. But we did have fun. We came home, and I had a few cuts. I had a little nap. But now I'm preparing to stream. I go live at 6 p.m. on, which is a Friday today. So I will be streaming for 4 to 5 hours. We're doing a duo comp today. I'll show you guys some behind the scenes so you can know what streaming is, what it's about. Okay, cool. So this is my setup. It's not anything special or crazy. Pretty much got my gaming chair. As you see behind me is the green screen, which is a $30 cloth from Spotlight. The PC is there. Monitor for the PS4 there. PS4 sitting down there. Got my main monitor for the PC here, and then I got my chat reading monitor here, which is a smaller, more crappier one. Yeah, if you guys want to know the specs, let me know, and I will post it in our next video, what kind of specs. And here's my keyboard, mouse. Oh crap. As I just replied to your DM, brother. It's not my tourney. We're doing Kiwi Stevo's tournament today. So we'll be doing it for maybe like 2 hours, and then we'll do supporter games later on in the night, chat.
Ooh. I got slapped there.
Oh man. Oh, go on! Bro, I need to hit a mini, Josh. Stay strong, stay strong. Hold your walls, hold your walls. Hold your walls, hold your walls. Hold your walls. Where are you? Tell me, talk. Where are you, Josh? Talk to me.
I'm just one of the rooms, bro. I'm good.
Yeah, where? Like top? Bottom? What?
Top.
You need to talk, bro.
Sorry, boss.
And what would you like people to know about you?
I'm a fun guy. I mean, it's just more question you have to ask me in order for me to tell you about myself. I just can't give you a whole spiel. I don't even know where you're sitting at.
You know me?
Yep.
Yes! Let's go, man! GG, man! Yo, good morning, guys. It is currently Saturday morning, 6 a.m. in the morning. I'm getting ready for my morning cuts. I'm going to end the vlog here. I forgot to end it last night. Thank you guys for tuning in. I had so much fun streaming yesterday. We streamed some 2K and some Fortnite last night. It was a ball, man. But thank you guys. If you do enjoy the vlogs, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button, smash that button, and comment down below, man. Let me know who you are. Let me know what kind of content you want to see, and if you enjoy these vlogs, man. I really enjoy filming. I really enjoyed showing you guys a bit about my life. But yeah, I hope you guys did enjoy. I hope you have a blessed rest of your week, and I'll see you at the next stream. Peace out. Let's go, Team Prof.